If you're considering launching an e-commerce business using the print-on-demand dropshipping model, you'll need to partner with a quality provider. With many platforms to choose from, how do you select the optimal print service for your business? We've done the research and compiled a list of the top 5 print-on-demand companies to consider based on several factors. This unique fulfillment method involves printing items only after an order is received, eliminating the need for minimum order quantities or inventory management. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with these reviews. Thank you. Also, make sure to check the links in the description below to try these print-on-demand companies. Without further ado, here are the best print-on-demand companies right now. Number 5. Selfy. Selfy is a unique e-commerce platform that offers native print-on-demand functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to start a print-on-demand business from scratch. Unlike traditional e-commerce platforms like Wix or Shopify, Selfy provides a complete e-commerce experience while also offering print-on-demand fulfillment services. This allows you to sell your own custom print-on-demand merchandise, as well as regular inventory and digital products, all under your own branding and domain. Selfy allows you to create and sell custom print-on-demand products without the need for pre-ordering, stocking, or upfront payments. You have complete control over the design of your storefront, allowing you to build your entire website from scratch. Selfy offers a diverse selection of products, including apparel, bags, phone cases, mugs, and stickers, which can be customized with your designs. Selfy uses direct-to-garment (DTG) printing, which provides excellent results and utilizes CPSIA-compliant, water-based inks suitable for children's clothing. When a customer places an order, Selfy takes care of fulfillment, printing, and shipping, charging you only the base item cost plus taxes and shipping. To get started with Selfy, you can sign up for a free 14-day trial without requiring a credit card, allowing you to explore the platform and its features before committing to a subscription. Number 4. Gelato. Gelato is a versatile print-on-demand service that seamlessly integrates with existing e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and marketplaces such as Etsy. While it doesn't offer store-building functionality like Selfy, Gelato provides a user-friendly interface and an extensive range of over 40 product categories, including apparel, mugs, phone cases, and wall art, making it a compelling option for sellers looking to expand their product offerings. There is a useful free forever plan, allowing new sellers to explore the platform without any upfront costs. Additionally, there is no minimum order limit, making it ideal for those in the early stages of building their customer base. As sales expand, updating to a premium Gelato subscription unlocks added capabilities like shipping discounts and enhanced mock-ups. One standout advantage is its global distribution network spanning 30+ countries, enabling your brand to efficiently ship worldwide through localized production centers at reduced logistics costs. Gelato's emphasis on user-friendly features, diverse product options, and global distribution capabilities makes it a compelling choice for both new and established print-on-demand sellers looking to enhance their e-commerce offerings. Number 3. SPOD. SPOD is a print-on-demand company owned by Spreadshirt and is known for its rapid fulfillment times and competitive pricing. 95% of orders are shipped within 48 hours, making it one of the fastest fulfillment times in the industry. Although SPOD has a smaller selection of white-label products compared to other POV companies, it provides some of the most competitive pricing. SPOD offers various printing options, including digital direct, thermal sublimation, digital transfer or laser transfer, and special flex, depending on the product you want to create. SPOD offers a collection of 50,000 free designs, making it easy for users to customize their products without starting from scratch. Unlike many other print-on-demand sites, SPOD provides up to 20% discounted samples, allowing users to test the quality of their products before selling them to customers. SPOD integrates best with Shopify. They also offer WooCommerce, Squarespace, and Magento integration. eBay, Etsy, and Amazon can also be integrated using OrderDesk. SPOD API is also available. SPOD is ideal for individuals new to print-on-demand companies who want swift fulfillment, simplified shipping, and competitive prices. Overall, SPOD is a reliable and efficient print-on-demand partner for merchants looking for quick fulfillment and competitive pricing. Number 2. Printify. Printify is a popular print-on-demand fulfillment company that offers low printing prices, allowing for high profit margins. Unlike Sellfy, Printify is not an e-commerce platform, but a print-on-demand fulfillment company, providing back-end printing and delivery logistics. It is recommended for those who already have an established website or storefront and want to start selling print-on-demand products through it, or for those already selling on platforms like Etsy or eBay. Printify can be easily connected to existing websites through native integrations with platforms like WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, Etsy, and eBay. You can utilize the free integrated design tools to add your designs to a wide range of products in Printify's catalog. Once the products are ready to sell, you can set their prices and start making sales, with Printify taking care of the rest, including outsourcing the printing to its network of printing partners, resulting in low product base costs and higher profits per sale. The platform's list of products extends to more than 850 options that can be customized, ordered, and sold with no initial investment, making it a cost-effective and diverse print-on-demand service. Printify comes with a free plan where you can manage up to 5 stores and get unlimited product designs. Paid plans start at a monthly subscription of $25 and let you manage up to 10 stores per account and get up to 20% bulk discount on all products. Number 1. Printful. Printful is yet another excellent print-on-demand order fulfillment provider similar to Printify and Gelato. You have the capability to connect it to any existing online retail operation to commence selling print-on-demand products to your clientele. Speaking of products, there is a plethora to pick from: apparel, footwear, posters, drinkware, homewares, pet supplies, and so many more. In the same manner as Printify, Printful perfectly integrates with all the foremost e-commerce platforms, as well as marketplaces such as Etsy and Amazon. In addition to your designs, you can attach your own branding to the product packaging and interior labels courtesy of Printful's white label service. You can use the built-in design maker to create elegant, eye-catching designs and mock-ups of your products. Printful employs cutting-edge printing technology and supreme quality inks and materials, so they invariably guarantee reliable quality. They also offer localized print-on-demand services. Printful has facilities in the United States, Mexico, Latvia, Spain, Canada, and the United Kingdom, as well as partner facilities in Brazil, Japan, and Australia. This implies they can reach the majority of customers within a few days. Printful is entirely free to use. The company will charge you shipping and fulfillment costs only after you receive an order. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many print-on-demand companies available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the best print-on-demand companies include Printful, Printify, and Selfy, which offer high-quality products and user-friendly design tools. When choosing a print-on-demand service, it is important to consider factors such as product quality, shipping times, and unique features offered by each company. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.